My name is Mrs. Chidi Opara Ibeleche, the president and founder of the NGO Umuaka Igbo Taa, an NGO that seeks to promote the Igbo language and culture amongst children and the youth of today. I want to talk about the African Bedtime Stories, written by Mr. Godwin C. Nwaogwugwu. The African Bedtime Stories is a storybook rich with morals. The book has been written, but many children do not have the culture of reading. We have produced the movie of African Bedtime Stories 1.
Papa! My daughter! I can't do this again! I'm tired!
What is the issue? This is the first series, and we hope to produce many more series. So, even in the production of this storybook, we have encouraged reading stories so that children can also learn the construction of simple good English. Children learn more by what they see than what they hear. They need to see the older ones reading to make them read. However, even if they don't see the older ones reading, they need something exciting to make them read, to encourage them to read. And so, a storybook such as African Bedtime Stories, as written by Mr. Godwin C, is encouraging. And I believe that after this production, many of our children will go seeking for storybooks to read. And as we produce more and more of these African bedtime stories, our children will be better children in the society. The morals will lead our children to acquire more virtues, to be good children. Thank you. Hope you enjoy watching.
One day, all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day, all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day, all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day, all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day, all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping.
So I felt
one day, all animals went traveling.
Foxy.
They packed
the
all
right
their
thing.
loads together.
I am so thirsty and really
They
need some
said
wine.
the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day, all animals went traveling. started weeping. One day all animals went traveling.